Hey guys, so today I want to show you guys my night care routine. Okay, so first thing first is that I will remove my so-called makeup. So the makeup that I do is, you guys know, lipstick, eyebrows and eyeliner. So this is by Just Herbs. So they call it Saptajal. Okay, and this is something that I got again from Smitten. But if this gets over, I might buy one because it's completely herbal and I really like their formulation. It's not very harsh. Okay. So my face looks tired, I guess. I use Requel Fruit AHA face wash. So this is something that I got from Smitten. I've used it completely, and then because I liked it so much, I just got their full size product. This is also one of the product that I would recommend you guys. I really liked it. So just wash my face and come back. I have washed my face and there is next one step that I will do it every day. That's basically ice cube. Okay. Like maybe every day or max to max at least 4 to 5 days I'll have this. So what do I do is just take the ice cubes. This has actually helped me to shrink the pores, and then it has helped me to get the pimple also reduced. Okay, and one more thing, mostly people would prefer to use ice cube only with a covered with a cotton cloth or something, but I have only one cube. Every time I'll only use one cube, and then I'll use my face and try to scrub it off all across. And remember, I'll do this step. Okay, just a small swipe, not more than that. A small swipe. If you keep more than that, you can't open your eye. So just focus these areas, and even your neck area, just do. So I'm done with the cube. So yes, this is a makeup remover towel. That's how I purchased, but I just like its texture, so I use it for observing the water. It's very gentle on face and it absorbs water as well. So the next thing that I do is a lip scrub. Okay. So this was something that I recently got from Smitten. If I don't have this, I use honey and sugar. So the granulars are too small. Okay. I'm just gonna scrub it. Scrub it till you do no more feel the granulars in the scrub. I'm done. I'm gonna wash and come back. So I'm done washing my lip. So the next thing that I would use is my eyelash serum that I have at Scent Botanica. See, if you ask, I have actually completed almost the entire bottle. I've been using it for almost 4 5 months now. So I also don't get the product because almost done. But the thing is, I see a lot of new hair that is growing, but I don't see the volume in my eyebrows. So if you notice, my eyebrow used to be very short, like here, but they have given me a good length or a new growth, I would say, but they have not given me a very good volume. I'm still looking for a very good eyebrow and eyelash serum, yet to discover one. But for now, yes, I'm okay to use them. So I just take them in my fingertip. I just apply them and then I just give a massage. I'm just detailedly showing you guys what all I do so that if that really makes a difference, yes, I want to show it completely. So this is all that I take for one eyebrow. So I hope you guys can actually see. The next thing that I would do is, as you guys are aware, my Kumkumati oil. So I don't do toners, I don't do any other thing, just this, okay? Not sure if you guys are able to see. If not, I'll try showing you guys this. Yeah, it's Just Herbs Kumkumati oil. And generally I've seen people just take it out and drip it on the face. I don't do that for anything. I just use my fingertip, okay? I just hope you guys can see. And then I just do this. And then that's all I take, guys. Because the more you take, it's gonna give you a very oily feeling. I'm just showing completely all that I do, okay? If you feel on your neck area, just take it one stroke on that fingertip, and I'm just gonna apply, and whatever is left I'm gonna apply to my under eye. Yeah, that's it, guys. So if you see that I've applied my under eye also, so I've done applying. So the last step that I do is my lip balm. So my all-time favorite lip balm is Sugar Plum lip balm, which I've shown you guys many times, okay? So it's just in the back. So apart from that, right now I've kept them aside, okay? They are the best because for $100 I've never seen such a moisturizing effect in any other balm. But for now, as I've told you guys, I'm going to use it for the 30 days. Lineage ka lip balm, okay? I'm just taking a little. It gives a very, very, very smooth texture, which I've not seen in any of the lip balm. It helps on healing, but compared to Sugar Plum, so far I'm not seeing that great moisture. But yes, let me try using it. I'll give you guys my review on this as well. But yes, so if you ask me, these are the things that I use. Apart from this, I do scrubbing on, let's say, 2 to 3 days. For now, this is the scrub that I have, okay? It's Indus Valley ka face scrub, okay? I just keep changing the scrubs, which are very mild, and this is one that has moisturizing effect plus scrubbing. So whenever I use a scrub, then I also use a mask. So let's say in a week, I try using mask once, but scrubbing twice. So these are the things that I do, and today is not like my scrub day or so. So I'm just showing you guys, these are the things that I generally use. So I list down the products that I've mentioned, including the Sugar Plum lip balm. You guys can try out, and this is my skincare, guys. That's it. Like night routine is this, and I just go to sleep. Okay, so see you guys till next video, and thank you for watching, and I hope this helps. Bye.